Good morning class 2. Welcome to your GK class children. Today in this video I will take your GK class. Okay. As you all know that this is your GK book Junior Knowledge, right, part 2. Then today we will start with chapter 5 of this book, that is page number 7. Okay, open your book at page number 7. This is page number 7. And the name of the chapter is plants. Okay, in this chapter we will learn more about plants. Okay, now here we can see pictures. See, on the right side of this page you can see some pictures given. By looking at the picture you can find out what these are the different parts of a plant. Okay, these are the different parts of a plant. Now each part of a plant has got a function, has got a particular function. Okay, so we will learn about this in this class. Now see, take a pencil in your hand so that you can write with me. We will do the class together. See, the question given here is fill in the blanks. What you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the bracket. You will get three options. You will get three options like this one. This is the first one. Three options are given. You have to choose the correct option for each of the statement. Okay. See, plants number one, plants use their dash to drink water. As we need water to grow, plants also need water to grow. Okay, they also need water. Okay, now plant use their which organ, roots, leaves or flowers to drink water? To drink water they need roots. Okay, root is the underground part of a plant. Okay, then they absorb water from the ground and distribute it and carries it to the different parts of the plant. So the plant use their roots, leaves or flowers to drink water. So the correct option here is roots. So you will put a tick in roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots, and in the blank you will write roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots, like this. Understood? R-O-O-T-S, roots, for number 1. Write down R-O-O-T-S, roots. This is the correct option. Three options are given. This is the correct option for number 1. Done? Now we will come to number 2. Clear? Is it clear? I hope it is. Then number 2, the dash make food for the plant. Now as they need food also to grow like us. So which part of the plant makes food for the plant? So roots, leaves or flowers. So the correct answer is leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. So leaves make food for the plant. Now you will write here leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, the leaves. Write down. Number 2, leaves. So this is the correct option, and again this word you have to write here, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Correct? Leaf is that part of the plant that makes food for the plant. Okay. Then come to number 3, the dash have petals. Okay, the which part? Roots, do they have petals? Leaves have petals or flowers? Flowers have petals. Okay, so here we will write flowers. So number 3, F-L-O-W-E-R-S. This is the correct option, flowers. Okay, you can put a tick mark over here. Okay, over flower. Then you write here F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers have petals. Okay, the floral part. Done? Then come to number 4. Bees visit flower to see dash. Bees, we have seen that honey bees, they visit, they come near the flower to see what? Honey, nectar or cola. So, the leaves, they visit flowers to see. Here the answer will be nectar. What is nectar? Nectar is a sweet liquid. Okay, it is a sweet liquid which is used to make honey. Okay, so a sweet liquid to make honey. So here the correct answer will be nectar. N in for number 4. Okay, nectar. nectar, nectar. So you write nectar here. From this is the correct option. Write it correctly. Write all this. Look at the spellings and write. Then you have to learn the spellings also. Then we'll move to number 5. Number 5 is a fruit grows from a fruit. The fruits we eat, it grows in a plant. But from which part? A fruit grows from a flower, seed or leaf. Fruit grows from flower. Okay, so here also the first option is correct for number 5, flowers. So you write flowers here. Okay, then come to number 6. Number 6, read out. The fruit has one or more. We eat fruits, right? We all like to eat fruits. So a fruit has one or more what? Roots, flowers or seeds. A root has one or more seeds. Like mango, how many seeds do you see in a mango? How many seeds are there? Only one seed in a mango, right? And so here for number 6 you'll write a fruit has one or more seeds. SEEDS, seeds for number 6. For number 6, seeds. A fruit has one or more seeds. Then come to number 7. New plants grow from. We see new plants growing from where? Seeds, fruits or flower. So the new plant grow from seeds. SEEDS, seeds. So number 7 is seeds. Number 7, this is the correct option and you will write it here. Then come to number 8. New flowers and leaves grow from. New flowers and leaves. From where do they grow? They grow from birds. So they grow from birds. See, 3 options are given: seeds, buds or root. So the answer will be BUDS, birds. So what are birds? Birds are the small part of a plant from where flowers or fruit develops, right? So you will write, and some leaves also develop from birds. Okay, so new flowers and leaves grow from birds. BUDS, birds. So you will put a tick mark here and write down birds in the blank. Next one is leaves grow. Number 9, leaves grow on the branches of a. Leaves, we see leaves, they grow on the branches of what? Root, stem or trunk. So leaves grows on the branches of the stem. STEM, stem. So this is the correct option, stem, and you will write stem here. Okay, STEM, stem. Now come to number 10. Plants need air, water and dash to live. So plants need air, water and sunlight, dew or soil to live. So to live, to grow, plant needs air, water and sunlight. So the correct option for question number 10 will be sunlight. Done. So this way we have completed page number 7 and chapter 5 of this book. Please write down whatever I have said, write down them clearly, okay, and do not make any mistake. I'll send it in the Telegram also so that you can write them properly in the book. Okay, thank you.